So hello, many of you have been asking me if size does matter regarding the actual iPad mini. So it certainly does. Here you've got the actual iPad mini. It's small, easy to use, and as you can see, you can get it with one hand. You can see here the connection, especially for those of you who like writing, have to do occasional photos, and you just want to have something that's a little different, very small, a little bit bigger than an actual iPhone. And I generally think that size does matter, especially with these iPads. Remember, it costs $200 more than a normal iPad, but you get the actual grasp of it, how small it is. I mean, look at the Apple Pencil. I've got here an actual pen, so you can see it's almost like a pen. So I do think that it's worth the buy without a doubt. Now, obviously, it has to be justified. I mean, for instance, let's say you're always on the move, you just want to jot some things down and you don't want to have a big iPad, you can just have this. Yeah, it can scratch itself, whatever, but if you've got the protection on the actual camera, then what could happen? You can see the Apple Pencil barely goes off, and I mean, you can just have it forever. The battery of the Apple Pencil lasts forever, as well as the battery of the iPad mini, so you can just enjoy it and be having notes or good notes, whichever app suits you best. But I do think that it's a great product. Okay, so if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MG team will answer as shortly as possible.